at that. It's just amazing. That was pretty. It's really something. Look at that. I think there's some hail in there. I think there's some good sized hail in there. There's some dappling to the left. There's some green skies here. Oh, unreal. Is that like the beginning of a hail shaft forming? I don't know. Just unreal. Look at this.